Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
Okay, so this is the beginning of our jaunt, the lifetime jaunt. I'm going to get out of there. And we're staying here for a little while. And this is going to be for the beginning of our jaunts. Cheers. Let it go well. Everything of the best. Watch. We're going to show you things. We're going to watch. We're going to do other things here. Enjoy. Do you want a sip? You can have.
So we've arrived at our park up for the next 2.5 months, just outside Gauteng, and we're loving it. Doing, Graham? What you doing, Graham?
I thought I'd make my love a cup of tea. So I'm busy boiling water here.
Okay, you're very dark in the background.
Oh, we can flip better. Flip better.
Okay. So hi, Graham.
Hello.
What you doing?
Making my wife a nice cup of tea.
Okay. I see. So here we have blackout curtains that Graham actually made as well. He is such a handyman. Made it with material, and at the back it's got black, like denim material.
Fire, 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 fire.
Wow, Graham. Cheers to you for making the nice coffee.
Yeah, there we go. Down the hatch.
So, Graham,
Oh,
what we're going to toast again?
we're forever toasting. This is the best time ever. So let's toast to it. I say cheers to a wonderful holiday and a new beginning of our adventures of South Africa.
A broader, just
a broader
around.
view.
Yeah.
Cheers,
And
guys.
we don't usually drink, so
This is going to be fun.
This is just the second one that we had beer shandy the other day.
Yeah.
But this is why.
We're just on a new thing now, not drunkards or anything. Just enjoying. Enjoy, guys.
Bye.
Cheers.
This is how organised we're getting, slowly. I know that's a big dishwashing liquid there, but it's looking gorgeous.
It's my orange juice.
Actually, give it to Graham when he's naughty.
I can clean myself up here.
This is packing space in Jaunti. It's behind the Murphy bed, so I've used it for towels and duvets and cloths for tables. And of course my teddy bears, 2 of them I bought with. Here's our macaroni and cheese. Not in the oven yet, still not organised, but yeah, that's the cooking. Van life, loving it. Graham, how are you feeling?
Excellent, it's beautiful. I'm resting nice here.
I can see. You might come out quite dark, but
I'm
watching
other stuff.
Yeah, so yeah, we're quite organised considering. Yeah, enjoying it. I'm loving it. The bed is so comfy.
This is the best bar we ever had.
Yeah, we had a new mattress made.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Go and have a look at our videos and you'll see the mattress. About 2 or 3 videos back.
Okay. Ciao.
Cheers. Now.
Show you what you're going to make.
Tea. So put some sugar in here. And for Cindy my babes, a nice tea bag. And for me, the big muggins, another tea bag. See how we put our tea? We keep these little square things, because round tins don't go nicely into square boxes, so I make square boxes go into square boxes, because I have a box brain. Everything's in boxes. Oh, Cindy, I should tell you about my boxes.
So we've arrived at our spot for the next 2.5 months. Let the games begin.
Okay, so it is time to make a wish and a toast. Cindy and I, this is for our little venture wheel. Cheers, guys! This is going to be awesome.
Cheers.
Now that's got a nice taste. I don't love wine.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Sunday. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. Get your friends to subscribe. That would be awesome. See you next Sunday. Bye.